All right, let's start looking at some of the classification of commercial paper. Okay, you have a draft. Okay, also called a bill of exchange. This is a written order signed by one person and requiring the person to whom it is addressed to pay on demand or at a particular time a fixed amount of money or order. It's a check. Okay? You take a draft off of one of your accounts. You write a check. All right? Negotiable instruments are commercial paper. Writing drawn in a form that can be transferred from person to person as a substitute for money or as an instrument of credit. Okay? Every time you endorse the back of a check, you're moving that commercial paper from person to person. Okay? That's why, you go to a gas station. You endorse the back. The gas station gives you money. They subsequently endorse it. They go to the bank it's drawn on, and they get the money. Okay? So that's a check. Promissory note. This is an unconditional written promise to pay a sum of money to another. Right? So you get a IOU, a promissory note. Okay? All of these are forms of commercial paper. Now, let's start looking at some of the parties to a negotiable instrument. Okay? Now, a payee. Party to whom instrument is payable. Pay to the order of the payee. So if you want to write me a check, okay, I'm the payee. Okay? Drawer. Person who executes a draft. Person who signs a check. So you are writing me, the payee, a check. You are the drawer. All right? The drawee is the person ordered to pay the draft, and that's the bank. So your check from Bank of America is the drawee. You sign the check as the drawer, payable to the order of me, the payee. Oh, and I like lots of zeros. All right? The acceptor, person who agrees to pay a draft. All right? Typically that's the bank. Okay? But could also be the gas station. Okay? Maker, person who executes a note. This is similar to an acceptor. All right? Bearer, payee of instrument made payable to whomever is in possession. Okay? Remember, I'm the payee. Okay? When I endorse the back of the check, I become the bearer. Okay? Holder. I'm also a holder. Person in possession of instrument, payable to bearer or that person. Okay? Holder in due course. A holder who takes a negotiable instrument in good faith and for value. Right? Endorser and endorsee. Endorser, payee, or holder who signs the back of the instrument. This transfers the draft to another person. The endorsee, named holder of endorsed instrument, person who has the draft after it has been endorsed by the payee. Okay? So, endorser, endorsee.